Hi, welcome to Clear Tech Fix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to increase your wealth level in your Gemgala app. Gemgala app is the app that allows you to play mini games, invite friends using your referral link, host party, and use voice chat and get money through this process. In order to do this, you must have increase your wealth level and also have high earnings from this app, which the first step you have to take in order to increase your wealth level is this. Click on the cat image here. So from here, you just click on my level. From here, you're going to see the different levels that we have here. All you have to do is to look at the particular amount of gems that you need in order to level up. From here, you can see that I need 10,000 gems before I'll be able to level up to level 1. Also in level 1, I also need 10,000 gems to level up to level 2. So if you want to really level up, what you have to do now is to go back to your settings. So from here, the next thing you have to do is to scroll. So right here on my profile, all I have to do is to click on this yellow box here. So from here, you're going to see the option that says top up. Click on it. So here you're going to see the different amount of coin that will have and the particular amount that you can buy it. So if you want to really get it, all you have to do is to click on the particular coin and use your card to pay for it. But if you don't want to buy, you can also complete a particular event just like this one that is already reading at the top here. So if you're able to complete this event here, you're going to be able to level up from the present level you are to the next level that you're supposed to be. So guys, that is it on how to increase your wealth level in Gemgala app. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow Clear Tech Fix for more phone tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.